What's up, online shoppers? I've got a really great tool. If you use a washer and dryer at your house, you're gonna wanna have one of these 30-foot dryer vent cleaner kits. This is a brand new box that just arrived, so let's unbox it and see what's inside. Now, something that's really cool about this one is that you can actually attach this to a drill so that you can clean your vents with a powered attachment that you hook up to your drill. This is your flexible line that you're going to use to go through the dryer vent. And let's open up the box part here. Now, this is going to do up to 30 feet of dryer vent, and that should get you pretty close to all the way through your actual dryer vent system. So we've got all the pieces here. This is the drill bit attachment that is going to get screwed right in there. Here is your bristled brush for cleaning the inside of the dryer vent. And here is the flexible tubing that's going to carry your bristle brush through the dryer vent that you would be using this in. So you get 22 of these flexible durable rods that will extend for a total of 30 feet. When we think about house maintenance, it's not common to think about your dryer, but think about it this way. Every time you do a load of laundry in your dryer, what do? You empty the lint trap. So the lint that gets blown out the exhaust of the dryer, that collects in there, and that's often a place where people can be unknowingly creating a hazard for burn at their house. When that lint gets built up and built up and built up and trapped, it actually becomes a fire hazard. So being able to clean your dryer vent isn't only just something that's going to help your dryer be more efficient, because it's not going to have to work as hard to blow the air out through a clogged vent. It's actually going to help keep you safe. All you need is a drill and this kit, and you can clean your vent yourself. It's not something that's so complicated you need to call in a qualified technician. I am going to give you a demonstration and show you how this actually works. I told you before, these nylon rods total 30 feet in length, so you can customize this to the distance that you need to go through your house, through the vent, from the beginning of the vent where it connects to the dryer to the outside where it exhausts out to the outside of your house. Now, these are really flexible. They bend a lot, so you have one end to the other, and all you have to do is just screw one into the other to customize the length that you need to go through your dryer vent. They work really nicely. They screw in quite easily, and there is a lot of flexibility and play with this. This is definitely going to go around a corner for you. Now, I'm going to show you, for the purpose of this demonstration, how this little bristle brush works with the drill bit attachment and the nylon rod, but we're only going to do it with one little nylon rod for the purpose of the demonstration. Now, they give you a drill bit in this kit, and the drill bit has the threaded end, so we're just going to screw it into the nylon rod right here, just like that. And the other end we're going to screw into the bristle brush of the dryer vent cleaning kit. Put that on, give it a nice little tighten. I have my handy dandy toolkit here, which by the way is also quite awesome and available for purchase on here. Here's my drill. I'm just gonna open the chuck like that and put in the drill bit, just like that. Tighten it up so I can show you how neat this little tool works. There we go, it's nice and tight. All I have to do is turn on the drill and it starts spinning this dryer vent brush. So you can imagine how effective this is going to be going up and down the dryer vent, up and down, scrubbing all the sides. This will do a really great job of removing the built-up lint and dust from inside of your dryer vent. You'll be able to do a really professional job with just this really simple kit. If you have a power tool at home, a drill, you can hook this up to the dryer vent kit and you will be in great shape. This is a really important maintenance task for your house for several reasons. For one, for aesthetic purposes, no one likes to see a buildup of lint on the outside of your dryer vent and the outside of your house. It just looks messy and sloppy. Two, your dryer is definitely going to work more efficiently if it has a very clear vent to push the exhaust air from the dryer. If it has to work hard to push that air through the vent, it's not going to be as energy efficient as you'd want it to be. But most importantly, dryer vent cleaning needs to happen because that buildup of lint and dust can actually be a fire hazard. So cleaning your vents regularly is a really important safety tip for home maintenance and something that you should prioritize prioritize. This dryer vent cleaning kit with the flexible nylon rods, the cleaning brush, and the attachment for the drill is really awesome. I'm happy with it. It's definitely met my expectations, exceeded them actually, and I'm sure that this is going to be a family favorite in my house.
What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.